Hey everyone, Laz here, Methuselah Mindset. Welcome to the beautiful Kaiwaka Forest on the gorgeous Kaipara Peninsula in Northland, New Zealand. And as the name and the title and the thumbnail suggest, dogs and logs. So guys, this is nothing too serious, alright? It's so very easy to get tied up in modern life today's, and we take ourselves too seriously, and you can't see, excuse the pun, the forest for the trees. But today we're just taking some time out. We're definitely getting a workout in, but mostly this is about having some fun and some quality time with our best friends, our Furbabies, our pooches, our hounds. And I'll tell you what, it absolutely does solve a problem. How many times do we get home from work and our significant other says, have you exercised the dogs? Have you taken the dogs out? Have you taken the dog for a run? And you're thinking to yourself, I don't get time to exercise myself. Well, my friends, you have come to the right place because I have the solution. It is the dogs and logs workout. So let me take you through it. You're going to need a bit of gear, guys. You're going to need some logs. You want a great big branch that we're going to throw around. You want a wheelbarrow, weight it up. I put me, me buckets full of rocks from me farmers carrying there and a big old stump. And then you want a good old raggedy piece of rope, which you're going to find out they absolutely love just hanging on to. So let me take you through it, guys. We're going to start off with a big branch, throw, and a wrestle. And as you'll see, they absolutely love that. Then we're going to carry out a little log, 10 squats. We'll run up the circuit a couple of times. Then we're going to grab that wheelbarrow. Great for the stability and the mobility and the flexibility. We'll run a couple of lengths of that. You watch the big fella. For some reason, he loves that wheelbarrow. Then we've got a great one for the balance. We've got the big log balance. We'll pick that bad boy up, run a couple of lengths of that. And then we finish off with a good old rope, Tug of War. And then we'll do it all again for a total of 2 rounds. So come on guys, relax, enjoy this. You're going to get a great workout. You're going to have some great fun with your dogs. Let's have some fun. Let's rock and roll. Come on, let's go. And we're going to start off with a good old branch, throw and wrestle. Let's do it. Come on guys, what's going on? Whew. Come on. Oh, this one. 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 All right, guys. Let's get 10 squats going. One more. Couple of lengths. Whew. Right this one. Wheelbarrow, let's go. My God. Come on. What's this one? Whew. What's this one? Come on. What's this one? Good stuff, guys. Let's get that big log balance going on. Whew. 2 lengths. Right this one. Right this one. Right this one. Right this one. Woo! Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yes. We are more. We are more. Bonita cushion. Woo! Woo! All right. What this one? This one. What this one? What this one? Yeah. 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 Hey. What this one? Okay, give to me. Give to me. Good boy, good boy, give to me. Good dogs, good dogs. Woo! Come on. All right, guys. Let's do it all again. Let's rock and roll. Make sure you're having some fun with your pooches. Let's do it. Big log. Oh, sorry, branch. Throw and wrestle. Let's go. Right this way. Right this way. Right this way. Right on the head. Right in the head. Alright guys, let's move on to that little odd squat. Woo. Woo. Let's pop out 10 squats, guys. Yeah. Good stuff. Come on. Come on. Right. Right. Come on. Come on. Right. 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 Hey. Right. Come on. Right. Woo. Right. Oh. Woo. What is it? Go. Go. Whoosh. Whoosh. Come on, let's go, come on. Come on. Oh, oh. Whoosh. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Let's get that big log balance going on, guys. Woo! Keeping the core switched on. Right, this one. Right, this one. Come on. Come on. Woo! Whoosh. Watch out. Ah. 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 Woo! One more. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Ah. Ah. All right. Oh, let's finish it off with this good old rope. Wow. Wow. Come on. You're not interested in the rope today, are you, darling? Come on. Come on. Come on. They're as tight as me. Oh, right. Go this way. Right. Oh, that's my good dog. Oh. Woo. Oh, beautiful. All right, guys. Really hope you enjoyed that. Gives you a good workout, and the dogs. They love it. Oh dear. If you enjoyed that, please, I would be honoured if you hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a member already. Otherwise, guys, love, respect one another. Come on, look what you can do. Get yourselves outside and get moving.